Yo, we got Chick-fil-A and engine parts. Oh golly, oh gosh, this is about to be an immaculate dinner. Alright, so I did my first modification, and I know this thing is not running yet, but there we go. This is our first modification right here. These, I just got carbon fiber ones because they were cheap. I didn't get it because they were carbon fiber, but yeah, so I got these. They're struts. They're working just fine. They're built specifically for this generation Celica, and yeah, they just kind of mount in right under this this thing right here, and then you screw that in like right there. The only problem was this got in the way just a little bit, but it works now. It's fine. But I just wanted to get that because I actually don't have the thing that, you know, the stick that connects into there. I don't have that, so I figured why not just upgrade to these, even because they're just like, they were like 25 bucks on Amazon, so that was pretty dope. But another thing I did was I actually took out the oil filter, which is up for some reason. That's interesting. And we have it over here. So boom, the old oil filter. So yeah, we don't need this thing anymore. But yeah, I did that. Nothing really happened. Nothing dripped out or anything. And so now it's time to drain the oil. And I say there's about a 50-50 chance of there actually being anything that comes out, because all the oil in this engine is just complete sludge. Well, that's better than I thought it would be. I wasn't expecting anything to come out of there, but cool. So I'm wondering if there's not still more oil stuck in there, so I got this paper clip. Oh, it got in my eye. Literally Taco Bell going on right here. This is insane. Alright, so now I got some more of that golden color. It's kind of what we should be seeing. I don't know if it's getting clogged up or if it's actually almost done. We'll see. Okay, so with all that going on, our next course of action is to take out these bolts right here, and we want to get to the exhaust. So the goal today is to basically just get this out, because I'm going to be replacing the head, so I need to get this out. And to do that, I got to get stuff down here. I already have all this unscrewed. Everything that needs to be unscrewed is, except for that. I should probably do that as well, but that's all unscrewed. And so I'm going to be replacing this head. I'm going to be taking all that out because I don't feel like cleaning it. And I have a new one in here, or not a new one, but This is from a different 5S FE engine, and so I'm gonna be putting this one in. And yeah, we also got some other parts. We got this valve cover, which I probably won't be using because, okay, so I'm thinking I might take this shield off. That might make it a little easier, because why not? Those are definitely 10s. Alright, so to take this thing off, I might just kind of leave it dangling there because I don't feel like going for that one right back there. Okay. So, you guys might know about this stuff. Some WD-40. There it is. Something super cool is I have this pan from O'Reilly's. Take our metal stuff and just stick it right on here. And we can also just put that on the car too. There we go. Another thing I noticed when I'm down here is this right here. Looks like it's supposed to be connected to the bottom of the radiator. That was just completely not plugged in at all, so that can't be good. So off camera, I was able to get all the bolts loose and take the exhaust manifold off. I'm sorry it was off camera. That may be a common theme throughout these videos, but this is what it looks like, and there's a few other things I'm probably going to end up doing off camera as well. Alright, and that is it. Thank you everyone for watching. Stay tuned because I have a few videos that hopefully will be coming out next month. Merry Christmas, because this video is coming out on Christmas. And also Discord server. There will be a link in the description for that. Also check out my Instagram at CarTurtle. And once this thing is finally running, well then I have a few surprises that I can't wait to put on the car. So